Yeah, it's still raining. Pretty amazing. Well, we have this nailed in. I used one nail, gently nailed it. I see no cracking going on. It went in smooth. And I put some caulking underneath. I should have mentioned that. Caulk before you nail it. And then I had to carve it a little bit just to make it match a little bit better. Just a little messy because you already got caulking on it. And then I started caulking the nail or screw holes and any of the joints. And a word about caulking, I like to caulk all the joints and any old nail holes because those are moisture access points and we don't want moisture getting in there. For example, this one right here, you can see how on the other edge, I didn't caulk it there yet. I'm gonna wait till it's done raining to caulk the outside edge. But any moisture getting on here is just gonna run down there. And if it's not caulked and closed, it's going to run down in and rot, and that's why I had to replace. So I don't know if it was this one, but one of them had quite a bit of rot in it. I had to rip it out and replace it. So now we're going to put on the other one here, and then we're going to start tearing the other post apart.